So just wanted to have a quick video on how to remove a stereo from a Tiguan Volkswagen. First you need to use your pry tool. Okay, pop these out here, this vent. Well, it's not a vent, it's a filler. And then your airbag, but I recommend not pulling this apart. There's a screw here and a screw here, and it's a Torx, you can see there. And then use your pry tool again and push here until it pops out. Same thing right here too. And then once you get that out, give it a nice pull. All right. Again, I don't recommend taking out the airbag. Alright, after you get that out, there'll be 2 screws on the left side of the stereo and 2 screws on the right. And that's it for getting your stereo out. It should come straight out after that. So good luck.